Today we'll go over how to edit a photo on your iPhone with the latest iOS version, iOS 17.5.1. To start, click on Edit in the top right corner. Then click on the Crop button in the bottom right and then click on the Overlay Boxes icon. After that, you can choose to crop it without a set size or shape in mind by going with the default freeform option. With the freeform option, you can just crop it however you like by pulling one of those little marks. You can even zoom in or out while you crop your image. If you want to crop using preset sizes, select one of the shape or size options below. Next, we'll learn how to rotate a photo. Again, we'll start by clicking on the Overlay Boxes icon at the top. Then slide your finger left or right on the bottom to start rotating your photo. If you want to rotate your photo horizontally or vertically, select the options below and slide left or right until it's where you want it to be. Next, we'll learn how to use photo filters. Start by clicking on Filters, then scroll through until you find the one you want and select a filter. To adjust the lighting in your photo, start by clicking on Adjust at the bottom. Then go through the various options, which include auto-adjusting the photo's lighting, adjusting the exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, brightness, black point, saturation, vibrance, warmth, tint, sharpness, definition, noise reduction, and/or vignette. To mark up a photo, click on the markup icon in the top right. Then there are a few different options here. To mark up a photo with a brush, choose from the different brush options on the bottom and start drawing on the photo. To change the brush's thickness or opacity, click on the selected brush again. To erase markups, click on the eraser icon, or you can click on the undo icon in the top left. If you want to change the brush texture or opacity, click on the brush on the far right. To change the brush color, click on the color picker icon on the bottom right. From there, you can pick a color on the grid. For more options, you can also pick a color on the spectrum by clicking on the Spectrum tab. Or if you have a specific color RGB or hex code in mind, change the brush color with the Sliders tab. For all color picker tabs, you can also change the color opacity by dragging the opacity slider left or right. When finished, close the color picker window to return to your photo. If you want to add a straight line, click on the ruler icon. To change the angle of your straight line, hold the ruler with 2 fingers and rotate. After that, select a brush to draw a line over the ruler. To remove the ruler, click on the ruler icon again. To add elements to your photo, click on the plus icon in the bottom right. From there, you can add a sticker, a photo description, text, signature, and/or shape. Click on Add Sticker to add a sticker to your photo. From there, you can add an emoji as a sticker to your photo. After selecting which sticker you want to use, move it to the desired spot and resize it as needed. Add a description to your photo by clicking on the plus icon again and typing a general description of the photo. When finished, click on Done. To add a signature, click on the plus icon again and click on Add Signature. If you've already added a signature, you can just click on your signature to add it to the photo. If not, click on the Add or Remove Signature button. Then add a new signature by clicking on the plus icon and signing on the line. When finished, click on Done and move it to your desired spot. Using the options below, change the thickness of your signature. Add a shape to your photo by clicking on the plus icon again and clicking on Add Shape. Then select the shape you want to add and resize the shape by pulling on one of the corners. Then move the shape to the desired spot and change the shape's opacity and/or color with the options in the bottom right. You can even add an outline and change the outline's color with the options in the bottom left. Add text by clicking on the plus icon and clicking on Add Text. Then move it to your desired spot by clicking and holding the text box. To start typing, double-click and the keyboard will appear. After you're finished typing, click out of the text box and the keyboard will disappear. When you're finished, click Done in the top right corner. After finishing with all your edits and markups, click Done again to save your image. If you're looking for more graphic design help, reach out to our expert design team at PSP Inc. by going to pspinc.com/graphic-design.